Hey guys, welcome back to Spooky Spectacle. Today I'm gonna show you how I made some spooky bouquet. I hope you enjoy. So first, what you're gonna need is some eyes, some hot glue, and some flowers. So I start off by taking some hot glue to the back of the little eye and attaching it to the center of the flower. And then I just keep doing this with every single flower. Then you just put it in a vase and add a little ambiance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.